Arabic letters are divided into two groups. Group 1, the letters that connect only from one side. These letters are Alif, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zai, Waw. It's only 6 letters. Group 2, the letters connect from both sides. Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Ya. Let's go. We will start with group 2, that letters that connect from both sides. Each Arabic letter has 4 shapes. One shape when the letter is alone, one shape at the beginning, one shape in the middle, and one shape at the end of the word. The letter Ba. Ba. In the beginning of the word, this is the shape of the letter Ba. In the middle of the word, and that is Ba in the end of the word. In the beginning, Bab, door. In the middle, Jabal, Jabal. In the end, Hub, Hub, love, Hub. And the letter Ta. This is the shape of the letter alone. In the beginning of the word, Ta, 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 Ta. In the middle of the word, Ta. And that's shape the end of the word, Ta. Example words. In the beginning, taxi, T, T, taxi, kitab, kitab. In the middle. In the end, bait, bait, bait. That's all the shapes of the letter Ba. And that's all the shapes of the letter Ta.